Oh!
Tinatanggap ko po. Thank you, Pres Teresa, for entrusting me with this gavel, a true symbol of leadership, service, and responsibility. Buong puso ko pong tinatanggap ang tungkulin bilang presidente ng Rotary Club of Baguio Sunrise at nangangako ako na ipagpapatuloy natin ang adhikain ng ating club with integrity, dedication, and passion. With the help and support of all members of our club, I am very confident na lalo nating mapapalakas ang ating club at magagawa natin ng mas marami at magkakaroon tayo ng mas maraming project para sa mga nangangailangan. Yahoo! I am now the President. Alright, maraming salamat po.